Guys, welcome back to my channel. It's Ski Asia, and today I'm going to be pre-pooing my natural hair. I think I pre-pooed my hair probably like once or twice. So pre-pooing is basically, it's like adding an extra step before you shampoo. No, before you shampoo your hair, just to like shield it and like protect it from all of the stripping agencies and shampoo. That's why people pre-poo their hair. And today I'm going to be using aloe vera juice and almond oil to pre-poo my hair. The aloe vera juice I'm using is the Fruit of the Earth aloe vera juice, this right here, and I got this from Amazon for $14. I'll leave the link down below because I've been looking for this stuff like everywhere. And the almond oil I'm going to be using is the Now Solution Sweet Almond Oil, 100% almond oil. So first I added my aloe vera juice in here since it has to be refrigerated. I added it in here and it's like pretty cold. And my almond oil, and it has like a mix of other like oils and like in here too. And that down there is just herbs from like some other oil that was in here before. So yeah, I have the oil sitting in here because I'm gonna do like put this on my hair after I apply the aloe vera juice. So I'm just gonna do like a hot oil treatment too. And I haven't washed my hair in about 2 weeks, so it's pretty dry. So I'm not gonna talk throughout this video. I'm just gonna show you guys what I'm doing. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoy this video, and I hope somebody finds this video helpful. Ryan Little. Okay, so this is how my hair looks after I apply the aloe vera juice and the hot almond oil, the hot oil treatment. So yeah, I'm just gonna let this sit in my hair probably for like 10-15 minutes. You can let it sit overnight. Pre-pooing is not necessary, but it's like really helpful. It helps strengthen your hair and moisturize it, and then moisturize it and gets it like ready and prepped for like the shampooing and the washing. So yeah, you could try it out. You don't have to use like, I would have used aloe vera leaf, but I can never find it anywhere. So yeah, after this, so after I let it sit, I probably won't show that, so this is like the end of the video. I will but after I'll let it sit for 15-20 minutes. I will rinse it out, then I will shampoo and condition my hair, then go to like deep conditioning and styling my hair. So yeah, I hope this video was helpful. I just want to give you a close-up of my hair, even though it's nothing special. I'm just showing you guys what I was doing to my hair, and this is how it looks in my hair. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I'm gonna see you guys in my next video.